Hello everyone, I'm Aditya Nigam.
Hi Pavitra host.
We have created an IoT-based healthcare model which can detect a person's pulse rate and body temperature.
Healthcare systems are very useful for the people who are in the ambulance on the way to hospital or the people who need to be monitored regularly.
Our model is based around an Arduino microcontroller which controls the other components of the circuit like the Wi-Fi module, the LCD, the pulse sensor and the temperature sensor. This is our IoT-based healthcare model. After checking the user's pulse rate and body temperature, it will display the data on the LCD and also at the same time it will share it to the online database using the Wi-Fi module. As you can see, the BPM and temperature is shown on the LCD and also on the serial monitor.
We want to make our project more economically feasible and accessible to the general public, and we also hope to correct our flaws in the near future. Thank you.